Badwam so kase ba mo achim wakwa ba medase so Adom tia DV anopen semno also pa na de obetie bi ene se Consumer Protection Agency no emo mpanimfo chimo de PURC bekwa kugina ya asebdi bia sanse asa won sheda mfa Ghana fo ho esa sanso de suapan wodo no emo adesuafo no mpanimfo edi wo mu anim no akeka wadwene abomu ahwe se 1992 constitution bi ho no ma wose mpanimfo hwe na woye ensatra ye Ghana man pagina na dan Akufo-Addo nso akasa Nina ye State of the Nation's address which you man kwada mpane a wo mo odi bi wo mo di bi so no mu a ho akwatwe wo memu ne hadwe pa we ene nsam ahodo bi na mde so mo se Badwam so kase wusia me aya fami anoche wa pa adwa se wa fensem ni ntwemo no me de to so ba Consumer Protection Agency we ye koye wo mayi mu a wo hwe na omanfo Ghana mfasodi a wonya e wa no mahodo a wodi dwuma no wo mo nsa ebeka na wochemu a anhwe yi a enche kwa de PURC bekwa akogina semdibia na nsejefo nhwemu ase na kwanchefo panyi de ma Consumer Protection Agency no kofi capito trese PURC no ye Public Utilities Regulatory Commission ade ehia no ane se na mitu nsuo buomo emperimfo se wo moto anyina mahoden ebuomo na nso se Ghana fo benya ade na watomre so mfaso no wo mu nyanti odom kogina semdibia na afei enchechemu a wo mo no wo de amagana fo
Ghana debi ebeti PURC din bia no na PURC on be ka kire se emra so se ye beto kanea anase nsuom yo ma se de ye no mo ye pene so nemom de ha ni se consumers anase omo mu isu nkanea ni nsuo no de emra no so ahye omo se omo hwe na ye interest ye diemu se ne nsuo ebaba wano sen kane dundum ene esi mitani ho ade achi yesi we ni ho prempi no ye betuma yesi omuntum momiantum ye tuma omdwumedie no ebetum pon anase ebekọ animu ye pini wi a ayese adwumedie a also mo so ye ema ye consumers ye gitumu sampa ye gintumu no ye hu se ehun faso ni no ye hu afia yato nkania ni nsuom nkania yetumu 23% yetunsuom 8% omo the same ensema omo ka kire no maami antuma yedumedie no enso ani ye beka yeso okay ye mpese begunti no yaji atum yaji tumu wie no Consumer Protection Agency for say sa enema ekoso a yaji tumu de bia na improvement bia memu no enada so ho enche
Institute of Economic Affairs itwenesi ase aye woni isu apan hodo no emu adesuafo no mpanimfo aye hyiemu shronko na dwumade no ase no na wohwe na waje wo mu adwe nkyira fa afi apem hankro ne aduokro mbienu mamra ye dibu o my Ghana de wo se wo ye nsache wo mayeye no na adesuafo de bi kyerese tumi a sa amra no ede amama mpanyin no ase tumi no ya doso dodo timpanimfo hwenye nsache ye nti bia ya hodo a wogidi se sempanimfo tena se no ye nsache wo 1992 constitution ni mu a ebeboa Ghana ma manfo nyina somadwe o mo na nkoye sese bi ebi mutumi mu odu anase ebi dibre no emu odu anase dwumade ade ahye bi mu nsa no eso dodo no empanimfo nhwe na afisa nsache ne nyina no entimi nkoso
o constitution mu a o say obi obetuma di president no kise wadi mfie adionai but me dey share say I was say it so because we parliament age near 21 and they say it is about 35 a year they didn't say it is say so catch will be say odi 40 and so aba what brain say mostly no or dream say life starts at 40 so he sees 40 as a very big deal but so it is now who say responsibility be on so with me starting maybe I will be only 21, 35, which may be the omanzo.
Encanate and Wafo Penny Sophia Kufo and Subipimo Jumedina Sea, or the two just say, I will say, or my money in a cabin tribomu, I am she be Sabaya, that power, the other 2 J will be me a drew.
The problem is that each government will reconstitute the commission, and then the commission will come up, instead of updating the existing plan, they'll come up with something new which is in response to the political agenda.
Every one of my young concern from Ghana, Mampenny, His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Pupimu, Marshebe, Jamia, or do my Ghana, yet Tibiani, a Bobber on some, can say State of the Nation's address to Jan Watcher, and someone who the number 1 10 so say COVID-19 for 2 musica, one more disicani in a abokono formono, which you might add as a no cribia.
Beyond the use of COVID funds, there are legitimate questions being asked about how the country's debt situation got to where it is. Mr. Speaker, let me state emphatically that we have not been reckless in borrowing and in spending. It is worth noting that the debts we're serving were not only contracted during the period of this administration. Mr. Speaker, we have spent money on things that are urgent, to build roads and bridges and schools, to train our young people and equip them to face a competitive world. Considering the amount of work that still needs to be done on the state of our roads, the bridges that have to be built, considering the number of classrooms that need to be built, the furniture and equipment needs at all stages of education, considering the number of children who should be in school and are not, considering the number of towns and villages that still do not have access to potable water, I dare say no one can suggest we have overborrowed or spent reckless.
Mampenny Kwanwa Sadi Tuja say, Abating a warm her market why I was say, war Mompania who would be. Sandro na wasn't penny for the war mono and one quatre or may bono. When him say how bad time pint or the normal who go come to be a Sandro and when we are no Ghana phone Sabekin.
Childhood vaccines top the list with the delivery of 8.3 million doses, followed by 2.05 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines. Mr. Speaker, I must say, however, that the current shortage of some childhood vaccines in the country has concerned me greatly. This shortage, if prolonged, will affect negatively Ghana's childhood immunization program, which has been recognized as one of the most successful in the world. The WHO has only recently expressed worry about a steady decline in measles vaccination coverage globally because of the concentration on the fight against COVID-19. In accordance with our desire not to become part of this global trend, government has taken steps to ensure the stocks of these vaccines are procured and supplied as a matter of urgency and emergency. The Ghana Health Service has developed an elaborate program to catch up on children who have missed their vaccine immediately stocks arrive. Mr. Speaker, I want to encourage all parents and caregivers to ensure that eligible children are vaccinated.
Mampenny Nana Akufo-Addo Kasawi and Yamane Bofo a year when Amponsan and Brashebe for the be a teaching a dinko bubusan. Some of my India to Jano said a one more drain a year woman.
Mampenny Nana Danko Akufo-Addo at the 90s bedu AM Brashebe Jafia say ya. Now by no not just the State of the Nation's address, Michel de Sonano and now what the betuja. And ya dear Bibia Eddie Ewomua, Dom Kumano, any air common.
Expecting, say President Weber. My State of Nation address, Waba at the representation at the Ababa name. And so him baby the court baby so the form, baby so honour
I take judicial notice, sir. For the first time, President will avoided the National Cathedral project.
Now, now to move on, Mampenny Kasabejra no Sabi. Now when you're confident in now.
And which Dom Cassia and also any trick on what you say, and idea any daso a war a year in some Mampenny Adom Akufo-Addo at the betu a no move.
Oh, dear me, who dear Sabi or Mampenny, actually, the Bobre, sir, or yeah, or Mampenny, so actually, my house, baby, economy near or my baby, agency is here.
so enya aresemu ene akomatoye mu bia nso obo so efiri enhumasua ede kopem apomuden ho
ena ho president oma ahobrase edadi ahobrase a oma ne dadi ne se ogitum sa Ghana ayede
yenko ashaiman omanfo bi a wono mati ashaiman chaifa wuchemu afrida asrafo yi hebi bekeka omanfo bi gu fom twa wo mo chimpire eye wo mo yakayaka de na masese de wo mo nsu gujimpa anti dodo no akra no na adwane afiri ho no wo mo nsu ate ho no nso no be mama nyina wakade
te se mi yari fi se ne o mo book of no pe ma hu kami
oso ana
mi ti haso so mi sro se bia o mo be ba bio
ade chi ye no boy ye sro ye kakra no muse omu ba ne adwane akọ radim kakra no muse ba ne adwane akọ radim nti say boys no omo ma hwe omo ma je mu no aba no omu ba sa na mu ye
Papa Penny a ono wedi 70 years editor Adom News anim se abra sojafo no ebepie mu e wompatem ho no na enye se wanyine a enka ono nso nka omo bro ne brete wo kire mu se ne baba ko ana omo chi ne ebro no ede ne koye a sese wo mo eja no
bi me ake ni gidi ko ya no lo ni ke dabi nwo
allo
abajimi ni akama afita me more than 200 people ajama wa me chokota ke ni bi fen ka metale fen ye bi
na sankrofo ya asrafo yi di wonsa ekeka wonom ewoye ashaiman potem ho no mo no emu mako nu mo kire won kwan so abeto dwa se wagya won ne ebusa se anye bia wo bai won widie mu ye won se wo kire mu ankonya sabia obekon so koye no sika wo so odi tua belenti wasa wo chia befi
Wamanfo bi a womote Ashaman Taifa a sojafo ekochi omo ebro mu brete bi e de ato Adom News anim se womo de womo ni sika womo e de kọ ayaresabia womo ne Adom News nsentwofo e kasa womo kire mu se bro ya bro mu yi enam so ama sese womo dompe mu awiom womo sisi eyom ya womo nsakura no womo entimentine nanso nam se sika enifie ntinu womo nim de ombeye.
Yesterday we were on bed around 2:30 and we hear some noise. So we talked, some people were around. So before we realized soldiers around us and break our doors and the gate and enter our rooms and draw us from the bed. And before they asked us to lie down on the road, on the street.
Hospital.
Didn't
yeah, maybe I'm sure I'm going to panic be a way. I'm going to panic be a baby hammy. It's treatment shoshi pa mo di miami body na sa shoshi no mo di miami shoshi